Hello everybody, you see what I made for Sammie? Batman big surprise egg with some surprises inside. We'll see if he's going to like it. Sammie, come! You like it?
Yeah.
Huh? What is this?
Batman big egg.
Big egg?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to open it?
Batman. Yeah.
It's made of Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I made it for you, you know?
Yeah.
You want to open it?
Yeah. Oh, it's good. Thank you, Daddy.
That's no problem. Cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to order the Play-Doh. I had to order black Play-Doh on the internet. It's not really Play-Doh, it's kind of plasticine. It's different than Play-Doh, but it's still okay, huh?
Yeah, let's open.
Yeah. You know what? Maybe use this knife to open it. Okay? Okay, I hope you're going to like it, what you can find inside. It's kind of hard Play-Doh, Sammie.
Yeah.
You know? Look. Yeah, but be careful. Be careful. Let me help you. Yeah, let's cut it right here, like this. Okay, then you can take, probably. Oh, it's really hard to take it off from here.
Yeah.
No? Wow.
Wow.
Maybe do not destroy logo at the moment. Yeah? Okie dokie.
Don't.
Do you like this surprise, Sammie?
Yeah.
That's the second time I
No,
made.
toilet.
Third that big? I think second.
So the third time.
Okay. I think the second time. See? And we have logo here. You see, Sammie?
Yeah.
How to not destroy it? Maybe you can put this on your t-shirt here.
No.
Would be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, and what do you have there? Another egg.
Another one.
What's going on? What is going on?
It's hard to open.
Yes, I know. This Play-Doh is very hard. Okay. So in the big Play-Doh egg you found small Play-Doh egg, right? What is in there?
Oh, Batman.
What?
Batman.
Is it this Batman what you wanted?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's build him.
Yeah.
Okay, Sammie's building him.
Come on.
It's hard?
Yeah, this.
It's not easy to build it.
Yeah, because I have a Play-Doh.
You know, if you need my help, just tell me. You're gonna make it, you know.
Yeah.
You are the best minifigure builder in the world.
Why?
Because you are the best, man.
No, you are the best.
Oh, thank you. Okay, can I see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our figure.
Yeah.
Batman. Okay, what else? What's that?
A car.
A car, batmobile car from Hot Wheels.
Yeah. But the black this time.
Black? Ooh. Okie dokie. That's Batmobile from Hot Wheels. Cool.
Yeah.
And?
And
Another Batmobile?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
But he was a Batman on the pack.
There is a Batman on the package, but we had Batman on the second one as well, I think.
Come on.
Come on!
Come on.
Okay, that's our second car, huh? This one is really cool. From Hot Wheels as well. You see my hands? It's this Play-Doh made it. You know? Is there anything left? Yeah! It's a Batman Big Kinder Surprise Egg.
Yeah.
You like them, right?
Yeah.
Don't eat all of it, especially if you're going to put this here because it's messy right there. What, good?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's take a look. Inside the egg. What did you find? Batman figure!
Oh, Batman.
Yeah. That's nice.
You can win all of that.
You can put the wings or the cape, yeah? Okay, so we're going to put the wings now. That's the figure we found in Big Surprise Egg. Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
It is, of course. That's the toys we found in the Big Batman Giant, actually, Surprise Egg, yeah? Sammie? You know, that's not all. You know, because, you know, where did I get this?
What?
I had to buy a set. Yeah, I had to buy a set to get this mini figure.
That one is the set. Oh, that's set.
That's the set. What do you say? It's nice?
Yeah.
Okay, but we're not going to build it now. Let's just show it. Yeah, so maybe just take a look at the moment on the set.
Yeah.
Sammie wanted this mini figure and actually this set, so that's why I made this egg. Anyway, we're going to build this probably today, but we're going to upload this video tomorrow. Is that okay?
Solid that.
Okay, so that's all for today, yeah?
Yeah.
Sammie, did you like the egg?
Yeah, it's great.
It's great, yeah? Okay, so watch us tomorrow, stay in touch, click like,
Yeah.
and thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Let's have some fun with this stuff.